Hello, everyone. Scientists have had the opportunity to examine many celestial bodies that have remained in the dark by looking into the depths of space with the Hubble Space Telescope. This telescope, which became operational in 1990, has sent us many pictures of the universe that we can admire, from the pillars of creation to the rings of Saturn, cosmic reef, bullet cluster. According to a report published on the official website of NASA, scientists discovered a mysterious glow surrounding the solar system. No, this glow was not coming from a dying star or moonlight. Scientists are puzzled as to what this mysterious glow could be as a result of the analysis of Hubble data. So, what is the source of the light? When was the mysterious light discovered? Why is understanding this light source so important to physics and astronomy? Let's find the answers to these questions together. When you look up at the sky at night, you know that it is not completely dark. The permanent companion of our planet is the moon. Stars and planets shine like lamps in the dark sky, guiding us. On the other hand, we have a visual perception of the sky based on how the components reflect and emit light. So we have some idea of what's radiating in space. According to the sky luminosity data measured from Hubble images, the so-called zodiac light is the brightest among the lights shining in space, because of the sunlight scattered by the interplanetary dust. Finally, all far ultraviolet and far infrared extragalactic photons, including light from stars, active galactic nuclei, and other objects, represent what we call extragalactic background light. He says none of these have any effect on the glow. Hubble captured these images as part of SkySurf, one of the telescope's largest programs that fully characterizes the brightness of the sky. NASA researchers announced that they discovered this ghostly glow after removing all the light from stars and planets. NASA announced that this discovered glow is equivalent to the glow of 10 fireflies spread across the entire sky. Still looks like finding an unexpected glow. Scattered skies account for more than 95 of the photons received by Hubble at wavelengths between 0.6 and 1.25 microns. Additionally, over 95 of the photons in Hubble images are known to come from distances closer than 3 or 4.8 billion kilometers. For many years, researchers using telescope data ignored these sky photons, as they were more interested in other objects such as stars and galaxies. Ghostly glow could be sunlight reflecting off dust globules left behind by comets in the solar system, known to be filled with tiny dust and ice particles originating from a population of comets moving inward from the far reaches of the solar system. They blow out the exhaust, and then when sunlight falls on the remaining parts, they reflect the light, creating a diffuse glow. Interestingly, this ghostly glow isn't the first mysterious glow discovered. The New Horizons space probe launched successfully in 2006 to study the solar system's ninth planet, Pluto, flew 12,500 kilometers above the dwarf planet in July 2015, sending us stunning images of this vast world. New Horizons made observations 7.5 billion kilometers from the Sun. Spacecraft instruments detected faint light in the region beyond Pluto. Researchers expected to see such light due to the cosmic optical background, a faint glow emanating from light sources outside our galaxy. However, The light captured by the New Horizons instruments was almost twice as much as it should have been. It means there's some kind of extra light coming in. The glow captured by Hubble follows a different path than the glow detected by New Horizons. The light that stands closer to us is now brighter, and this makes the glow suggests that it must have developed due to some local event occurring within the solar system rather than associating it with something coming from outside. Given that the Voyager 1 space probe has caught a similar glow in the past, scientists in the SkySurf project aim to impose restrictions on extragalactic background light to make observations more precise. In the latest light measurements, scientists predicted there may be a significant number of missing faint galaxies, which could cause inconsistency. When they searched for hidden galaxies by stacking them on top, they concluded that there weren't enough galaxies missing to explain this ghostly light, thus increasing the possibility of interplanetary dust. Looking up at the sky helps us learn a lot about what's out there, from our solar system to the far reaches of the universe. And if there's a ghostly glow around it, makes everything a bit confusing and blurry. Analysis of the SkySurf data has been compiled in 4 research papers so far, and there are several more possibilities. New article expected to be published soon. All right, so far from us. What do you think is causing this ghostly glow? Is it a stray comet or interplanetary dust passing by from far away? For videos with content like this, don't forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.